guys, कैसे है आप लोग कैसे है? So guys, today we are gonna discuss NCERT General Test Complete Syllabus for 2025. So yeah, so here you can see section 3 as General Test. Okay, so this is one of the mandatory session. Okay, so it will be having 28 questions, out of which you just have to answer 25 questions. Okay, so which will be carrying 4 marks each, and minus 1 mark is for wrong answer. Okay. So this is a detailed syllabus. Under general test, you will be having general knowledge, current affairs, general mental ability, numerical ability, reasoning. Reasoning means simple applications of basic mathematical concepts, quantitative arithmetic, algebra, geometry, mensuration, statistics, logical and analytical reasoning, general test, general science, and environmental literacy. So let's move on to detailed syllabus discussion. Let's elaborate it. So under general knowledge, you will be having Indian history, geography, polity, economy, important government schemes, awards, books and authors. And under current affairs, which you will be having national and international, recent events, government policies, sports, science and technology updates. So under general science, whatever you have studied up to 10th standard. So under general knowledge, current affairs and general science, whatever you have studied up to 10th standard will be there. And other than that, under current affairs, you will be having whatever things which are happening around you for the 6 months. So you just have to go through the newspapers. We will be also bringing lectures for this, but our major topic will, major focus will be on reasoning part. Okay. So here it is given the mark distribution for reasoning part majorly for the 2023 and 2024 NCET papers. So you can see it over here. From number system in the year of 2024, which means recent NCET exam, we were having one question. Percentage, say 2023 में we were having 2 questions, and in 2024 we were having 0 questions. 0 questions were asked from percentage, and ratio and proportion 1 question each from both of the years. Average 1 question each. Time and work 1 question each. Time, speed and distance. So we were having 1 question in the year of 2023, and the year of 2024 we were having 0 questions. And profit and loss 1 question in the year of 2024. Simple and compound interest 2 questions in the year of 2024. So you can see from number series we were having 1 question, letter and symbol series 1 question, and coding and decoding 1 question in the year of 2023, and analogy in the year of 2024 we were having 1 question, blood relation 2 1 each, direction and distance 1 0 each, and syllogism से एक एक क्वेश्चन आया था पिछले ईयर्स में, पिछले एनसीटी पेपर्स में, एंड मिक्सचर एंड एलिगेशन से 1 क्वेश्चन आया था इन द ईयर ऑफ 2024, मेंसुरेशन से 1 क्वेश्चन आया था, सो पार्टनरशिप से 1 क्वेश्चन आया था इन द ईयर ऑफ 2024, पाइप्स एंड सिस्टर्न से 1 क्वेश्चन आया था इन द ईयर ऑफ 2023. So you can see whatever things which are happening in other chapters too. From calendar 1 question each were asked in the previous NCT papers. In the vlog chapter 1 question was asked in 2024 NCT paper. So in statistics 0 questions were asked, statement and correlation 0 question, and statement and assumption 0 question. So these are the other chapters, logical deductions, seating arrangements and all. 0 questions were asked. So our major focus will be on the chapters from where the questions were asked in the previous NCT papers. So we'll be majorly focusing on those chapters. So we will be giving minor preferences for other chapters too. ठीक है? So in the year of 2023, we were having total 14 reasoning questions. Okay, from the side of reasoning on. Okay, so there will be total 25 questions you just have to answer. So 14 questions will be reasoning, and these are sure short questions. If you're studying this, it's easy for you to get marks in this side of the paper. And in the year of 2024, 17 questions were asked, which means that major part of your paper is from reasoning. Okay, GT major. So study well, guys. This is a brief description of what is going to happen. So I'll be starting to take classes. So classes are already being recorded. So we will be putting it on upcoming days. So I'm really happy for that. So other than that, these follow lectures. That is what you have to do. We will be providing questions, Google Forms, like Google practice questions. So you just have to follow those things. Practice really well. Practice is the major key for getting marks in this side of paper. So other than that, from other generalized questions, current affairs and all, we will be doing lectures. Okay. So major priority will be given to reasoning part. Yeah. So thank you guys. I just wanted to make this particular session precise. So I'm really happy that it was made precise only. Thank you so much, guys. Once again, thank you so much. Peace out. Bye, guys. Bye. Bye. Bye.